There's a version of you that God has always seen. The one He called, chosen, and set apart. Even when you couldn't see it, He did. Even when the world labeled you as broken, weak, or unworthy, He still saw the real you. Strong, loved, and victorious. Today's affirmation is, I am becoming who God always saw in me. Every step of healing, every layer of shame peeled back, every lie replaced with truth, is not wasted. It's God's way of restoring you into the woman He always knew you could be. So breathe this in with me today. I am not stuck in my past. I am not defined by my mistakes. I am becoming the daughter of destiny that God saw from the beginning. Let this affirmation anchor you. Write it down. Speak it out. Pray it over your day. Because heaven already celebrates the woman you are becoming.